Hey, it's Mystery Hawk here. Today, gonna do a quick unboxing of a package I got from Protech Dent mouth guards. So yeah, let's just open it up. So yeah, just gonna open it up. And there it is. Protech Dent mouth guard. So it's black. New smart mouth guard. Protech Dent. Everything. So this mouth guard is very thin. It's very thin, as you can tell by the box. It's not bulky like those Shock Doctor ones. So basically, you get this, put in some water, and then conform it to your mouth, and that's about it. And the holes are great, and yeah,